Amy Slayton is once again grabbing headlines, and this time it's not for any family drama or relationship gossip. The 1000 Sisters star has shocked fans and critics alike by showing off her jaw-dropping weight loss transformation in a skin-tight dress that left nothing to the imagination. The once deeply insecure and reserved reality TV personality is now stepping out with fierce confidence, and her latest look is the ultimate testament to how far she's come. Gone are the days when Amy would hide behind oversized t-shirts and baggy pants. Now, she's flaunting her curves and embracing her body in the boldest way possible, and the internet is eating it up. Photos of Amy's recent public appearance have gone viral across social media platforms. In the now famous images, Amy can be seen strutting confidently in a form-fitting black dress that hugged her slimmer figure and accentuated all the progress she's made since her journey began. The dress wasn't just stylish, it was symbolic. For someone who used to weigh over 400 pounds and struggled with body image her entire life, wearing such an outfit in public speaks volumes. Amy looked radiant, her makeup perfectly blended, her hair done up, and her signature smile brighter than ever. Fans who followed her story from the beginning are calling this her revenge glow up, and they're not wrong. Amy's journey has been anything but easy. From struggling with obesity since childhood to battling the emotional scars of a difficult upbringing, she has weathered storms that could break even the strongest individuals. Add to that the stress of raising two young children while navigating a high-profile separation from her now ex-husband Michael Halterman, and it's clear that Amy's resilience is nothing short of inspiring. But the biggest transformation, as always, has been within. Viewers have watched her evolve from a self-doubting woman with a dream into someone who not only achieved what many thought was impossible but is now thriving in her own power. Sources close to the reality star say that Amy has been working diligently on her fitness routine ever since giving birth to her second child, Glenn. She's reportedly committed to a healthier lifestyle that includes meal prepping, daily walks, portion control, and regular mental health therapy sessions to address the root causes of her emotional eating. While Amy has undergone bariatric surgery in the past, those close to her insist that her most recent transformation is largely due to consistent hard work and a complete overhaul of her mindset. The skin-tight dress moment came during a casual but highly photographed outing with friends at a local Kentucky event. Paparazzi and fans alike were stunned by her confident posture, head held high, and a noticeable spring in her step. She wasn't just showing off a new body, she was radiating energy, self-assurance, and a sense of freedom she hadn't displayed publicly in years. It's like she's finally comfortable in her skin, one fan commented on Instagram, where photos quickly gained hundreds of thousands of likes and shares. She's not just surviving anymore, she's living. Social media exploded with reactions, many of which were filled with love and admiration. "This is the Amy we've been rooting for," one follower wrote. Another gushed, "She looks absolutely incredible and so happy. I'm crying." Even longtime skeptics of the show and its stars had to admit that Amy's transformation is impressive, not just in terms of physical change, but in the confidence and happiness she now radiates. The 1000 Sisters fanbase, known for being both brutally honest and fiercely loyal, rallied behind her, flooding her comment sections with positive affirmations and support. But not everyone is purely focused on Amy's dress or weight loss. Some fans have pointed out how her emotional transformation is even more inspiring. "You can tell she's been doing the inner work," one follower tweeted. "This isn't just a body change, it's a soul change." Others noted that Amy's confidence seems to have grown significantly since her split with Michael, with some speculating that leaving a toxic relationship allowed her the freedom to prioritize her own health and happiness. While Amy hasn't confirmed those assumptions, her actions speak volumes. She's moving forward, taking charge, and living life on her own terms. Interestingly, insiders have hinted that producers of 1000 Sisters are considering focusing more on Amy's solo journey in upcoming episodes. With Tammy now married and undergoing her own transformation, Amy's rebirth could provide fresh, compelling content that fans are eager to see. Producers are reportedly thrilled by the positive buzz surrounding Amy's recent appearance and are planning to incorporate more of her personal triumphs into future episodes. Viewer may get a deeper glimpse into her fitness regimen, her journey as a single mother, and possibly even her dating life if she decides to open that chapter again. Rumors have already started swirling about a potential love interest. Amy has been spotted out and about with a mystery man, sparking questions and fueling fan theories. While nothing has been confirmed, the possibility of Amy stepping into a new romantic relationship is exciting for viewers who have watched her struggle with love and self-worth for years. For now, she's keeping things private, but sources say she's open to love again, on her own timeline, and only with someone who respects her growth and ambition. Amy's transformation also raises conversations about the impact of body positivity and self-love in the realm of reality TV. Her story, alongside Tammy's, has opened up discussions about obesity, mental health, family trauma, and healing in ways that mainstream media often avoids. Through all the ups and downs, Amy's resilience remains a shining example of what's possible when someone decides they are worthy of change. And now, with every confident step in that skin-tight dress, she's reminding others that transformation isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional and incredibly powerful. Even her critics, of which there have been many, are finding it hard to ignore the new Amy. Over the years, she's been accused of being lazy, unmotivated, and dependent on others. But the current version of Amy is fiercely independent, driven, and seemingly in control of her destiny. She's juggling motherhood, filming, health goals, and emotional healing all at once, and doing it with style. Those who doubted her have little left to say except congratulations. Meanwhile, Amy's children, Gage and Glenn, remain her top priority. She's been open about wanting to be the healthiest version of herself for them. Her transformation isn't about vanity, it's about legacy. It's about being able to run after her boys, to play with them in the park, to be present for their milestones. Her weight loss is not just a win for herself, but for her entire family. And that's what makes her journey so touching to viewers across the globe. She's not trying to fit into Hollywood beauty standards. She's trying to live, love, and be there for the people who matter most. As photos of Amy continue to circulate online, fans are already calling her a body goals icon and hoping to see her use her platform for more than just entertainment. There's chatter about potential brand partnerships, fitness collaborations, and even a possible lifestyle vlog that could allow Amy to connect with fans on a deeper level. Whether she chooses to monetize her glow up or keep things simple, one thing's for certain, Amy Slayton is no longer hiding. She is stepping fully into the spotlight and proving that transformation is real, possible, and powerful. In a world that often tells plus-sized women they can't be beautiful, confident, or admired, Amy is breaking every stereotype. She's not just redefining her own life, she's rewriting the narrative for so many others who've been told they're not enough. From the pain of the past to the promise of a better future, Amy's story is a beacon of hope and change. And the image of her in that now iconic skin-tight dress is a reminder that anything is possible when you believe in yourself. Amy Slayton is glowing, she's winning, she's evolving, and this is only the beginning. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.